What if you could start a professional logo and branding agency today with zero design skills using AI? Today, we're exploring how to start your own AI-powered logo and branding agency. With advancements in artificial intelligence, creating professional logos and comprehensive brand identities has become more accessible than ever. Let's dive into the steps to launch this exciting venture. In today's digital landscape, businesses of all sizes recognize the importance of a strong brand identity. However, not all have the resources to hire traditional design agencies. This gap presents an opportunity for an AI-driven logo and branding agency to offer affordable, high-quality design solutions. To get started, you'll need the right AI tools. Here are two top platforms. First, Looka, an AI-powered design platform that enables you to create professional logos and brand kits effortlessly. And second, Brandmark.io. This tool uses AI to generate unique logos and provides a full branding package, including color schemes and typography suggestions. These platforms allow you to deliver customized branding solutions to clients quickly and efficiently. Diversify your services to attract a broader client base. Consider offering logo design packages, from basic logo creation to premium packages with multiple design concepts and revisions. Brand identity kits, comprehensive packages that include logos, color palettes, typography, and brand guidelines. And marketing materials, designing business cards, social media graphics, and promotional materials to ensure brand consistency across all platforms. Managing your agency's operations is crucial for success. EngineShark.com offers a suite of tools to help you streamline your business processes. Domain search to secure the perfect web address for your agency. AI-powered logo creation, utilizing advanced AI tools to create professional logos tailored to your clients' needs. LLC registration, simplifying the legal aspects of establishing your business. And marketing services, providing tools for social media management, brand development, and more. With EngineShark, you can efficiently set up and manage your agency, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional branding solutions to your clients. To build a successful agency, develop a professional online presence by creating a user-friendly website showcasing your portfolio and services. Leverage social media by sharing your work on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Offer exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries. Deliver projects on time. And be open to feedback. Building strong relationships with clients leads to repeat business and referrals. Starting an AI-powered logo and branding agency is an exciting opportunity to combine creativity with technology. By utilizing tools like Looka, Brandmark.io, and EngineShark.com, you can offer professional branding services to a diverse clientele. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's embark on this creative journey together.